This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hey! How y'all doing? It's finally warming up outside, which means spring crochet ideas. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Happy to have you. If you've been here a while, you probably know I have another spring crochet idea video from like a year ago that you can watch if none of these suit your fancy. If you can't find anything in this video, I highly recommend checking out that one. This one is a little more fine-tuned, and there will be more free patterns in this one because I know what I'm doing now. But if you need more ideas, I do have last year's video. Now that we got that out of the way, this video is going to be 50 spring crochet ideas. Oh god, I'm so excited to welcome spring with some nice lightweight wearables, some bags, some Easter related stuff. That was the #1 comment I got on last year's spring one, was they wanted more Easter ideas. So I did add some more Easter ideas within this one, but our categories for this video are going to be wearables, bags, accessories, Easter related stuff, and then miscellaneous. So we've got a wide variety. As always, if any of these are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, send me a DM on Instagram or shoot me a quick email and I'll take it out. I've also started to put free and paid tags on everything, but just so you know, only one of the patterns in this video is a paid pattern. The rest are free. So we have a 99% free video and mostly free. Literally only one paid, okay? I spent a lot of time for you guys. Hope you guys are able to find something fun. As always, everything I show you is going to be linked in the description box in the order that I show it to you, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so you can make everything that I'm showing you. Let's jump right into our first category, wearables. For wearables, we have this really fun, really cute, long dress that has a slit up the side. Oh, I love this one. I actually added that one onto my personal to be crocheted list. You can also make this granny square kind of triangle halter top looking thing. This would be cute with some like jean shorts or even over a bathing suit, because now that it's starting to get warmer, we can go to the beach, which leads me into this striped cover up. So cute, so cute. You can also make this kind of mesh flowy poncho, good for airflow for those of us who live in areas that our spring is a little warmer than other areas. Like I know for California, spring is nice for about 2 weeks and then it feels like summer. So you want something like this. And then I also have this polo shirt pattern, which is good for our more mask presenting crocheters who want less frill, less feminine. Very cute. And then I have this Neath top, which again, a simple beginner crochet pattern. Simple granny stitches, simple construction. It's super cute. This one's just a beach mesh cover up. I love putting cover ups in these because we're right around the time when we start going to the beach and we start going out more, maybe even start swimming. I know I jumped in my pool like way early last year and I froze my butt off because I wanted to swim and it was just too soon because the pool was not warm enough. So you can also make this color changing poncho, again good for like a little beach cover up or even just to wear. And then we have this side to side top with the cute little tassels on the bottom. And then I have another kind of beach cover-up dress for you, but it can also just be like a layering piece, like it's used here. It's kind of layered over another little simple dress. I love the way it's styled. Super cute. You can also make this a flower stitch poncho, which, yes, I am wearing this flower stitch poncho. I made this poncho. It's a free YouTube video tutorial. It took me a while, and if you want to know exactly how long it took me and whether or not you should do it, check out my crochet with me on this. Did post a crochet with me making this gorgeous poncho, and it's so like I love it. Okay, I love it. But if you're wondering if it's the project for you, definitely check out that crochet with me, and I tell you how long it took. I tell you what I love, what I hate about it, all that fun stuff. A good pattern review. And then I also have this seedling sweater for you. Good airflow, perfect for like the warm, breezy days. And then this lacy crochet sweater. Again, when you're making sweaters for spring, you really want to have like open, meshy, lacy, flowy, let that breeze in. And I'd recommend using like a lightweight bamboo yarn. Like this is made out of a lightweight bamboo. The brand is called True, but I recommend that for most of these tops just because it's super lightweight. It feels like I'm wearing nothing and it will definitely keep cool in the warmer weeks. So You can make this pixie bolero, takes a lot less yarn. If you have more yarn, you could do this spring sweater, again, like mesh, opening, airflow. And then if you don't really like the sweater options or the bolero options and you're more of a vest girl, I have this lace vest for you as well. Before we get into the next category, I just want to take a second to thank this video's sponsor, Skillshare. A skill I've been wanting to work on recently has been my writing. For those of you who don't know, I've been working on my first debut novel for a while now, and I haven't really been giving myself the time I need to work on my writing. With that being said, I just finished Dakota's Chase Your Dreams as a Writer, Bridging the Gap Between Hobby and Professional Writing class. I learned the importance of creating an online portfolio for all of my writing so that I have something to present to publishers, and she also shared some really helpful tips and tricks on reaching out and inquiring to publishing companies and also literary agents. Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives with thousands of classes led by industry experts across film, illustration, design, freelance productivity, and more. Skillshare can help you take your skills, hobbies, passions, or even side hustles to the next level. Skillshare also has a lot of categories that I think you guys would really like the content creation and social media classes for those of you who've been wanting to start your own channel or just start posting more on social media, as well as productivity classes to help you guys with organizing your projects and your time management skills. And if you've been wanting to start an Etsy shop, they also have classes on that. They even have classes for crocheting and knitting. So whether you're a beginner crocheter or you're looking to challenge yourself with some more advanced skills, Skillshare has something for you. Let's start treating our creativity the same way we treat health and wellness. Creativity is a muscle. The more you exercise and build it, the more you grow your craft. If you want to practice your creativity on Skillshare, the first 500 people to use my link in the description will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So get started today. And then our next category is for bags. I love bags. I only have 3 for you. I have this granny cluster bag, this flower granny square bag, and this basic granny square bag. So all 3 of these are like super beginner friendly. I wanted this video to mostly be for our beginners who are looking to start crocheting or have just started crocheting and they need some ideas. So I wanted it to be as beginner friendly as possible. So I got those 3 bags for you. Our next category is accessories. For accessories, we've got some really cute options like this flower kind of style bandana. Bandanas are a good, quick, easy project to practice your skills, and also they don't take that much yarn, so they're short, sweet, fast, don't take a lot of yarn, and they're super cute for spring when it's kind of still a little breezy here and there. I have that one for you, and I also have this floral one, so 2 different kinds. This one is more focused on the detail on the edging, and the other one is more focused on the stitch pattern across the whole thing. So I also have this bucket hat for you, and you could do it with or without mohair yarn. You can make it fuzzy or not make it fuzzy, just depending on how hot your climate is in the spring. I also have this sun hat for you if you're not a bucket hat girl. I'm definitely more of a bucket hat girl, but if you don't like bucket hats, I did find you this sun hat. And then if you have a little baby or a little kid and you're planning on doing a little Easter photo shoot, I definitely recommend making this bunny bonnet. So cute. There's multiple sizes. It's adorable. It's fast. It's adorable. Okay. What can I say? I love bunnies. I love bunny ears. I love bunny ear things. The next category I have is our Easter category. Now, I don't think I had an Easter category in the last spring video, so this one might be new. But we've got a chick in basket pattern. Some of these are cute little sets if you have kids, and some of it would be a cute gift instead of just like a basket full of candy, which I mean, I'm not opposed to that. I do like a basket full of candy, and I am sad that now that I'm like 23, I don't get Easter baskets anymore. But anyway, so you can make a bunny garland like this, super cute. I just imagine this like decorating a little kid's room for Easter. So cute. You can also make mini baskets like these, perfect for toys too if you have kids. And then this one is just for some cute, pretty simple Easter eggs. If you don't want to buy plastic Easter eggs this year and you want to crochet like a dozen and hide them for your kid and then reuse them every year, you can do that with this pattern. You could also make this one's a little more obscure. Not sure if a lot of you guys are gonna like this one, but I ran across it and I needed to add it because it's like different than most of the things I've seen, but it's this bunny jar cozy. It's basically a pattern just for something to go around a like vase. So if you're gonna get like a spring floral flower bouquet or something like that, it might be cute to decorate the jar. And then this one's like the other Easter egg pattern, but with detailing. So they are pretty Easter eggs. Very, very cute. Those would also be cute just to put in like a little basket as like a table center if you're planning on having company or something for Easter. And then we've got this, what do I got? A hoppy basket. It's a little basket with a little fuzzy tail and bunny ears. So if you don't want to get a plastic basket for the Easter bunny, if you're under the age of 12, the Easter bunny is coming, okay? The Easter bunny's coming. If you're over the age of 12 and you want to help the Easter bunny out, you can make this. I'm trying to think of how old my age demographic is, but if you want to help the Easter bunny out this year, you can make a really cute hoppy basket like this one. You can also make these little mini bunnies and fill them full of those little chocolate eggs. Super cute. And then who knows Peeps, okay? Dylan loves Peeps. I'm not a Peep fan, but Dylan loves Peeps. So I think I'm going to crochet some Peeps this Easter for Dylan, just for fun. And then we've got these little egg baskets. I just thought they were really cute. I'm not sure how practical they are or if they're really necessary, but I just thought they were really cute, so I'm going to add them. And then I have a more practical tulip basket pattern for you if you want a little basket to hold things. And then our last category is for the miscellaneous items. Alright, so for miscellaneous, I have a free tulip pattern if you want to make one or you want to make a bouquet, completely up to you. You can also make this really cute strawberry bunny to add to a basket or just for fun. You can make this butterfly granny square. It's more spring, less Easter, very cute. There's this little flower duck. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love this flower duck. You can also make a crochet bunny bag like this one, super cute. And then I have a baby chick pattern for you. Again, spring, adorable. I love it. And then I have some wind spinner. I have one wind spinner tutorial for you. If you wanted to make a wind spinner, this is right around the time the winds start picking up. I know some of you guys are in tornado season, so that thing will be spinning if you're in tornado season. So go ahead and make one of those. And then I have this bluebell pillow for you. If you're more of the type of project, if you like the projects where you get to make a bunch of squares and kind of put them all together and make something, this one might be for you. And then I have some spring inspired gnomes because I have to add a gnome pattern at some point. In every season video, I somehow end up adding a seasonal gnome. So here's the seasonal gnome. And then we have this really cute doll outfit for Easter and spring. And then I got you this one blanket pattern with all these fun flowers and colors. This is also a good way to get rid of your stash yarn this Easter, kind of like a crocheter's version of spring cleaning to get rid of yarn. You can also make this wreath, super, super cute. And I have a mini daisy pattern for you as well. And then our last pattern is this watering can with floral detail. I know it's not spring specific, but when I saw it, it just very much gave spring. So that one's also for you. That is all 50 spring crochet ideas for you. Like I said in the beginning, everything I showed you will be linked in the description box below in the order that I showed it to you, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so you can make everything that I showed you. If you guys liked any of these, let me know in the comments, and if you need more ideas, I do have another spring crochet idea video already on my channel. I'll link it in the description so you can find it easier, but it's also up there. If you guys are ever wondering about me doing like a season or something, I've been doing this for a few years, so there are some videos already on my channel. If you don't want to wait for a season coming up, or you guys are kind of backwards in your seasons depending on where you live, I do have every season, every holiday already on my channel, and now I'm just kind of adding more and more and more. So always check to see what I already have. But if there's anything you want me to do for our crochet idea video series and I haven't already done it, let me know in the comments and I'll add it to my list and I'll eventually get to it, I promise. Follow me over on Instagram so you don't miss any new patterns that come out or new videos that come out or any kind of questionnaires I do over there. And other than that, subscribe if you don't want to miss out. Like this video if you liked it. and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.